In this video, I'm going over how you can make easy money through Instagram. What is up, guys? I am so sorry it has taken so long for me to get a new video out, but fortunately I am
back on the YouTube grind, baby.
Let's go ahead and jump in. You guys are all well aware of how much I hate my $24.37 sitting in my bank account and not doing anything. Well, thanks to you guys for annihilating that like and subscribe button, I have yet again found another way we can put our money to work. And no, it's not through flipping items or stonks or even Dogecoin. This time it's through Instagram. To start off, I am sure we are all very familiar with Instagram niche pages or accounts that have a huge number of followers that strictly post on one topic. Take the meme page Daquan, for example. They specifically post about memes and memes only. But what I had not noticed before was that these pages with a solid amount of followers are practically gold mines for generating money.
Oh my god, oh my god. We are so rich.
With my extensive research, I was able to find out that there is a range of things that you can do to generate this money. The most common form of getting money through Instagram is selling promotions or shoutouts on your feed. When I say selling promotions or shoutouts, I mean other accounts reaching out to you to see if they can promote their page or product on your feed for a certain price in hopes of getting new followers or new customers for the product that they are trying to sell. To illustrate this, let's say we own a fitness page with around 100,000 followers and another account reaches out to us asking if we can promote their custom shirts for just 40 bucks. Let's also say that we agree to this promotion, so that's 40 more bucks in our pocket, and all we gotta do is just post about their custom shirts. Pretty easy.
So easy. I don't play no more.
Another way of making money through Instagram is to simply flip the page by buying it for a cheap price and reselling it for more. Now, this is a lot tougher than it sounds, and that is largely due to the fact that the majority of pages that you'll reach out to tend to have multiple accounts and have likely been in the Instagram game for a while. Therefore, they know what a reasonable price is to sell at, so getting a good enough price to make a profit is unlikely, but it is not impossible.
So you're telling me there's a chance?
What I recommend is buying an account and growing its value by gaining followers and engagement, all while making money through promotions and shoutouts. Then, once you have a good enough offer for your account, sell it, buy a couple more pages, and continue the process. Now, there are a few different ways to buy a page. There are actual websites online such as FameSwap, ACCS Market, and InstaSale that display a variety of Instagram pages up for sale. For my very first deal, I decided to go onto one of these sites and I ended up actually finding a fantastic deal. And for that reason, I figured I would try to flip the account for a solid bag and use those profits to buy a couple more pages. So when I bought the account, it had 200,000 followers and I purchased it all for around $750. When I found a seller, they offered $2,500 for the account, which seems like a lot of money, but for an account with 200,000 followers, that's actually a relatively fair price. But when I went to sell the page, I made an awful mistake by giving over some of the account details before receiving the payment. But to keep the story short and sweet, the whole transaction was a huge mess and I practically handed over the account to him on a silver platter. So I got locked out of the account, and I'm sure you're thinking, why don't you just contact Instagram support? And I tried that for a week and I realized that trying to get in touch with Instagram support is almost like trying to give, I don't know, the Pope a high five, aka it's just not possible. However, looking back onto this whole experience, I realized that the most important piece of information when purchasing an account is buying one with the original email address included. The reason being is because if you were to ever get locked out of your account, or if your account got hacked like mine did, then that original email address is the only thing that can get you back into it. Since I bought the account from someone who had lost the original email credentials, I had no other way of getting back into the account, meaning that I lost it forever. But all in all, I discovered a great way to add a couple more income streams to my arsenal. I have already gone ahead and started looking for other pages to try and build my Instagram empire for my next upcoming video. So in the meantime, make sure to smash that like and subscribe button on your way out. I'm Nick Varner. It's good to be back. Have a great one, guys.